Hello, my dear students. I once again from Sant Ishwar Singh Ji Memorial Public School, Karamsur Rara Sahib, going to attend your lecture that is based on English, and I'm taking 6th standard. So today we are going to discuss present indefinite tense. Have a look on the video.
Hello there! We are going to learn simple present tense. The simple present tense is used for things that are general truth. It is also used for actions which are done often, usually, sometimes, or every day. For personal pronouns he, she, and it, we add s, es, and ies to the original form of the verb. For personal pronouns I, you, we, and they, we use the original form of the verb. Let us move on to understand simple present tense better. We use simple present tense to show general truth and facts. Add s to the original form of the verb. Let's take a look at the following examples. The moon shines at night. Shine, shines. The earth moves around the sun. Move, moves. We add s to the original form of the verb when the verb is a habitual action or an action that is done often. Let's look at the examples. He walks to school every morning. Walk, walks. Ah-Sing sells fruits and drinks every afternoon. Sell, sells. We add ies to the original form of the verb when the verb ends with a y. She studies hard every night so that she can pass her exam. Study, studies. We add es to the original form of the verb when the verb ends with s, sh, ch, or o. Take a look at the examples. Tommy watches television every night. Watch, watches. He washes his car every week. Wash, washes. Jessica crosses that road every morning. Cross, crosses. My mother goes to the supermarket every Sunday. Go, goes. Now, let's go and take a look at some examples for the personal pronouns I, you, we, and they. When these pronouns appear, we cannot make changes to the verbs, so they remain in the original form. Look at the examples. They eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. Eat, eat. We drink orange juice every morning. Drink, drink. I walk to school with my friends every day. Walk, walk. Now, let us do an exercise together. Choose the correct verb in the present tense form to fill in the blank. His father goes to work by car every morning. She brushes her teeth every day. A tiger runs very fast. We sell vegetables every morning. He studies every night. Mr. Brian is a farmer. Every morning, he starts work when the sun shines brightly in the sky. Mr. Brian plants a lot of vegetables. Many people buy his fresh vegetables because he uses fertilizer. Every evening, Mr. Brian tidies up his workplace. And then he goes home in his old car. What are these words? These words are words in the present tense form that we can find in the story of Mr. Brian. Starts, shines, plants, buy, uses, tidies, goes. Let us do an exercise. Choose the correct verb in the present tense form. Tick the correct sentence. Every morning, the sun shines brightly. Mr. Brian starts work early in the morning. Mr. Brian uses fertilizer for his plants. Every evening, Mr. Brian tidies up his workplace. Mr. Brian goes home in his old car.
So I hope all of you have enjoyed the video and learned a lot about the present indefinite tense. Let's continue our indefinite tense, and we are going to continue from interrogative sentences. Interrogative use of do does before the subject plus first form of verb. Interrogative sentences which do or does use होएगा और subject तो पहला use होएगा. जिमें अपन ने पहला ही discuss किया है कि subject की हुंदा है. ठीक है, one who does the action is the subject. Clear? Now he, she, it ਸਿੰਗੂਲਰ ਪਰਸਨਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਡਜ਼ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਔਰ ਫਸਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਆਫ ਵਰਬ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਡਜ਼ ਹੀ ਪਲੇ ਹਾਕੀ ਇਨ ਦ ਮੋਰਨਿੰਗ. ਇਸ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੈ? ਡਜ਼ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੈ. ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਈ this is written over here, does he play hockey in the evening? Does Ria make a noise in the class? Clear? Ria is a subject. Does Ria makes a noise in the class? Sign of question mark at the end of the sentence. Next है I, we, you, they, do plus first form of verb. I, we, you, they ਦੇ ਨਾਲ do ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਔਰ ਫਸਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਆਫ ਵਰਬ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਡੂ ਦੇ ਪਲੇ ਹਾਕੀ. ਡੂ ਦੇ ਪਲੇ ਹਾਕੀ. ਦੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ? ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਹੈ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਿਆ? ਡੂ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ. ਡੂ ਦੇ ਪਲੇ ਹਾਕੀ, ਸਾਈਨ ਆਫ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਮਾਰਕ, ਸਾਈਨ ਆਫ ਇੰਟਰੋਗੇਸ਼ਨ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਐਂਡ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਹੈ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਸਿੰਗ ਅ ਸੌਂਗ. ਯੂ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਯੂ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ? ਡੂ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਨੈਕਸਟ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ we have a practice time. So first है do you dash your hands before meal? Wash. ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ? Wash. First form of verb only. Second है does Lisa dash with her aunt? Stay. What we are going to fill over here? Stay or stays? we know we have to use do or does plus first form of verb. ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ stay. Third है dash Hardik dash any trouble to his father question mark. Give is a form of verb. We have to fill. Dash Hardik ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਬੇਟਾ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਡੂ ਔਰ ਡਜ਼ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਹਾਰਦਿਕ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਹਾਰਦਿਕ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਡੂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਡਜ਼ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਹਾਰਦਿਕ ਹੈ ਸਿੰਗੂਲਰ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਫਿਰ ਡਜ਼ ਹਾਰਦਿਕ ਡੈਸ਼ ਐਨੀ ਟਰਬਲ ਟੂ ਹਿਜ਼ ਫਾਦਰ ਗਿਵ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਗਿਵ ਹੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਫਸਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਆਫ ਵਰਬ ਡੈਸ਼ ਦੇ ਡੈਸ਼ a race in evening run dash ਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਦੇ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ do dash a race run a race in the evening. Fifth है how dash she dash people easily question mark and form of verb that is given to us is a convince. How dash she is a subject and we are going to use over there does. Clear? Does. And she convince people easily. Next is sixth dash Rajan dash for morning walk daily dash Rajan. Yes, does Rajan go for morning walk daily? Our last fill up is dash I dash you question mark. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੁਣ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ ਡੈਸ਼ ਆਈ ਡੂ ਆਈ know you. I hope all of you are able to fill the verb as well as do does according to the subject. So this is the end of the present indefinite tense. Have a look on the exercise beta. So we are going to do here a special kind of exercise, that is exercise number 1, in which what we are going to do, change the following sentences into their negative form. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਿੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ਸ ਕਰਵਾਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ we just fill the correct form of verb as well as do or does. Clear? But now we are going to learn how to convert the sentences. Simple affirmative to negative one. Is it clear? So we have a first example. He sings well. How to convert this sentence into negative one? He is a subject. What we use over here? We use do or a does according to sentence. He, we have to use does. Negative means not. So what we are going to write over here? He does not sing well. Clear? First one है जेड़ा वो affirmative sentence है he sings well. इस sentence नू negative च convert करना है he does not sing well क्योंकि सानू पता है कि he दे नाल does लगेगा और नेगेटिव है तो नॉट तो ऑब्वियसली यूज होएगा और फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगेगी सिंग. ठीक है इसलिए ये सेंटेंस बन गया ही डज नॉट सिंग वेल. नेक्स्ट है साडे कोल सेकंड एग्जांपल रबर ट्रीज ग्रो इन मलेशिया. रबर ट्रीज दिस इज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड दिस इज प्लूरल वन. Rubber trees grow in Malaysia. How we are going to convert this sentence into negative one? The answer is rubber trees do not grow in Malaysia. Clear? Next we have third example. I brush my teeth twice a day. Answer is I do not brush my teeth twice a day. Next है Satvik wakes up early in the morning and the answer is Satvik does not wake up early in the morning. Clear? Next है Fifth one, you cheat your friend. Keep all the rules of present indefinite in your mind, so it will be easy for you to solve the exercise. Fifth sentence is you cheat your friend. Answer is you do not cheat your friend. Sixth sentence is Raj and Aman help their mother. Raj and Aman. Plural one. More than one person. Two persons are given over there. How we are going to convert this sentence into the negative one? Answer is Raj and Aman do not help their mother. Seventh sentence is we drink milk daily. And the answer is we do not drink milk daily. So this is the second part of the present indefinite tense, and this is the end